In this video, we are going to talk about 3 things that are going to fix your hair fall and regrow your hair. Keep in mind that hair fall is caused due to a lot of things like hormonal problems or increased oxidative stress or nutritional deficiencies or side effects of certain prescription drugs or even supplements that you are taking or underlying medical problems. So there are a lot of things that can lead to hair fall. But one thing is common here is that all these factors cause micro-inflammation at the root of your hair follicle. Micro-inflammation at the root of your hair follicle can lead to decreased availability of blood at the root of your hair follicle, and when your hair follicle is not getting enough nutrients through blood, what is going to happen that it will fall off and it cannot regrow itself. So the number one step in correcting hair fall is decreasing inflammation and then improving the blood flow. So there are many aspects in correcting hair fall. One of those many aspects in correcting hair fall I'll be discussing here. The first thing is procyanidin B2. Now this is a very potent polyphenolic compound that is found in certain fruits, especially apples. This has been shown to downregulate PKC. This is protein kinase C. Now this enzyme is negative regulator of hair follicle growth. That means greater the concentration of this enzyme in your hair follicle, more likely you are going to suffer from hair fall. So you want a natural selective inhibitor of protein kinase C, something that can downregulate expression of protein kinase C at hair follicle. So for this, procyanidin B2 is very potent. This thing is also going to prolong your anagen phase and shorten the telogen phase of your hair follicle. That means it will help in regrowth of your hair follicle, and it will also improve the density of your hair follicle. So it's going to really help someone who is dealing with alopecia, no matter what is the kind of alopecia. Even for androgenic alopecia, this has been shown to be very effective. Second thing is caffeine. Now caffeine is a natural inhibitor of an enzyme phosphodiesterase. Now when phosphodiesterase is inhibited, what is going to happen that it will improve the blood flow at the root of your hair follicle and help in regrowth of your hair. So to reap this benefit, you want to use topical caffeine at the root of your hair follicle. You can directly apply caffeine like coffee powder. You can make hair mask and use it directly over your scalp region. So this will improve the blood flow. Second mechanism by which caffeine helps is testosterone. Testosterone has an inhibitory effect on your hair follicle growth. So this is because of a thing that is transforming growth factor beta 2. So when testosterone is high, what it does, it increases the expression of transforming growth factor beta 2 at the root of your hair follicle, and this leads to hair fall and alopecia. Now what caffeine does is, caffeine decreases the expression of transforming growth factor beta 2 at the root of your hair follicle and prevents hair fall. So caffeine is very effective at counteracting the negative effect of testosterone on hair follicle. So you do not want to decrease your testosterone. Testosterone is very important hormone. You want to decrease what it is doing at the root of your hair follicle. So you want to decrease this protein expression, and for this caffeine is going to really help you. So you can use it topical, and also I would recommend you to drink 1 to 2 cups of black coffee or even black tea. That is also going to help you. Third thing is zinc. Zinc is very important antimicrobial trace mineral. So what happens that when the root of your hair follicle gets clogged, it can get clogged because there are oil glands that produce sebum, and when there is excess oil production, what it can lead to is it can clog the hair follicle, and when the hair follicle gets clogged, what is going to happen that whatever nutrients that you are eating is not getting delivered to the root of your hair follicle because it is clogged. There is inflammation, We call it as epidermal plaque, similar to your arterial plaque, epidermal plaque. So it can lead to decreased blood flow and decreased nutrient availability at the root of your hair follicle. So this can also lead to hair fall. Zinc, what it does, it can unclog these pores because it regulates bile gland. So it regulates sebum production, and it is also going to fix this micro-inflammation. Then one more thing that I wanted to focus here was use of hard water. So when you use hard water on your scalp region, that is also going to clog these hair follicle, and it can lead to decreased blood flow and hair fall. So zinc is very beneficial for this particular thing. And zinc is also a natural inhibitor of 5-alpha reductase. So testosterone is converted to dihydrotestosterone by this enzyme 5-alpha reductase. So zinc, by blocking this, can also decrease dihydrotestosterone and help you to fix hair fall. Also you can use it in shampoo, ketoconazole plus zinc shampoo. This will also help in unclogging these pores and regrowing your hair. So these three things are very important, along with correcting vitamin D deficiency and decreasing oxidative stress. So for that you can take vitamin E complex.